Prepare the cocktail cucumber. Cut the edges of the cucumber. Place the chopsticks. This will be used as the guardrail when cutting the cucumber. Cut one side of the cucumber in a diagonal direction. And turn the cucumber and cut it in a straight direction. Add salt. Massage it gently to release the liquid from the cucumber. After the gentle massage, set it aside for a couple of minutes to release the liquid. We will be making the dressing. Add garlic and sesame oil. Mash the garlic. Add rice vinegar, mirin, soy sauce, salt, sugar, red pepper powder, green onion, Layu, it's a chili oil. Mix it well and set it aside. Back to the cucumber. Gently squeeze to release the liquid. And rinse it with water. Discard the released liquid. Prepare the Ziploc bag and place the cucumber inside. Add the dressing in the bag. Shake the bag. Make sure cucumbers are well coated with the dressing. After settling for a couple of minutes, you can serve it or put in the fridge for later use. the ingredients for this recipe. You may pause the video and scan the QR code to check out the full recipe at annshomecuisine.com.
Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more inspirations and easy home cooking. Thank you so much for watching.